Families, I'm going to show you how you can keep track of your students' homework lessons with Zearn. The first thing you're going to want to do is from the Mrs. Parrish's math class website, you're going to go over to the parent page and you're going to scroll down to where it says Track Zearn Progress. From here, you're going to click on the tracker, which is here, and it will open up this Google Sheet. On the first page of this Google Sheet, there are directions for making a copy for your personal use and saving it so that you can track your child's progress as needed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click File above and select Make a Copy. File, make a copy. You are going to be asked to change the name of this. It will automatically save as Copy of Zearn Tracker. You can keep the part where it says Zearn Tracker, but you might want to change Copy of to your child's name. And then click OK. It's going to save to your Google Drive. So if there's a specific folder that you would like to save that to, for example, if you have a folder specifically for your child's school items, you can click here and find that within your drive. And then click OK. Once you do, your copy of your child's Zearn Tracker will open up and you can start to use it. The tabs below show you which mission your child will be on. So we have mission 1, and within that page you'll have all of the lessons for that particular mission, along with a little area for you to jot down any notes. So now that you have your Zearn Tracker copied to your drive, you're going to want to have your child open up their Zearn account. When they open their Zearn account, this is what you will see. This is an example, and it starts right at the very first lesson of the very first mission. This is just an example from the teacher account, but this is what your student's page is going to look like. So it will have their name, and the next up part is really what you want to see. This tells you what they're currently doing. So up here it tells me you're currently working on lesson 1, number bonds. Below that you'll notice 4 icons. Those are the 4 tasks that your child needs to complete in order to unlock the next lesson within the mission. So we start with a number gym, and they would click Start. This is for fluency practice. Once they complete that, they move on to the sprint, which is more fact fluency practice. After they complete the sprint, they complete a math chat, which is a guided practice for the particular lesson that we are working on in class. After they complete the guided practice, they move on to the Tower of Power, which is completely independent work. However, if they are to get stuck, they get a boost that walks them through solving the problem, and then they try it again on their own. They did all 4 of their tasks within the lesson. They will unlock the next lesson as shown below. So we have this tracker here. It should start from the beginning once they unlock a new lesson. Below that, they have the start button to start the next lesson. And below that, it shows that lesson 2 is now unlocked. And so therefore they finished lesson 1. So that is what you are looking for as a parent, to make sure that they finished the lesson that was written down in their assignment notebooks. So now that you have seen that they've completed the first lesson within Mission 1, you are going to go to your student's Zearn Tracker, and you will find the appropriate mission. So Mission 1 is already clicked. And then you will find Lesson 1 and you will just click in the box to form a check mark. You will do this each day or each time they have a lesson to keep track of their Zearn progress. Now, if you noticed that your child struggled with any part of Lesson 1, you can note that in this box. And then click outside of that box to set your notes. And that is how you can keep track of your students' progress with Zearn and make sure that they are completing all of their work.